Hello my dear friends, how are you? This is our daily chart of BTCUSD in previous video. We're telling you about this area. Market can retest this area and will be go up. So in previous week, market reached our SND area. And this is our strong really base, really demand zone and SNR. Now we need more confirmation for buy, because possible. Look, if we look left side, market sweep the supply 3 times. And market sweep last supply 2 times. Now market have clear route for buy because next target is higher. High low, lower low QM, and this is our drop base drop supply area. We apply here high to low Fibonacci and 161 our reversal zone and drop base. Drop supply area same. And if market. Remember, market cannot easily break this area. But because market have so many difficult in this area. We look left side support drop base. Drop supply area high, lower low QM zone. And also reversal yield. One area of Fibonacci same. Now we look small time frame and confirmation. Market can go down and will be buy. We need confirmation here. Now we check H4 or H1 chart. Remember, possible market now go down with drop base. Drop and create here new lower low divergence. So when market break out first supply area, then we take.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
And our target will be this. And if market made here drop base drop and go down. And this low breakdown and made here low, lower low. So then we again need confirmation. When market reached here supply area, but does not break, so then we take entry. So from here and BTCUSD will be go down again. Now we check HE chart. This is our H4 chart, look here. This is our draw based off first supply. Market not break out the supply, but retest with spike. This is our next draw base drop supply area. And this is our draw base drop supply area with support, resistance. So this is our strong supply area. If we look here, resistance, support. If we look left side, so this is our strong area for buy. But if we look currently market, SL market cannot move fast in buy side. But sell side, we see here market will be go down. So look here. This is our trend line. We convert in H line chart, look. This is our trend line. So market possible. Remember this situation and take entry. and don't take entry without confirmation. If market respect this supply area and go down, and make it here low, SO, then BTCUSD will be sell. We take entry. So from here support become resistance and go down. This is first situation no. 2. If market break out this supply area, so then we take entry buy from here. Resistance becomes support and our next target will be this area. And if market again break out this area, so then a target will be this. Resistance becomes support and in left side we have supply. So market will be convert supply convert in demand. So we take entry buy again here from here. And our target will be this area. Then we again need confirmation from here. When market break it down first low. So market made here high low. Low QM and left side we see supply area. So then we need confirmation sell. But if market break out this area, so then BTCUSD buy. But currently we seeing situation BTCUSD. Chart H4 telling us currently I am in selling position. So, where information telling you. So first set this set. First understand these setups and then take entry. Buy or sell after confirmation. Thanks. If you have any question, you can ask anytime via our Telegram. Contact available in description and also in video. Right corner, thanks.
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription. Thanks.